Namaste student, Khusro Vidya. I, JVN Kaushik Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Department of Science and Technology. Here we had discussed about the subject biomedical signal processing. Before we start about today's topic, introductions and types of biomedical instruments, yesterday we had discussed about the topic of objective and difficulties of biomedical signal processing. There are some objectives and also some difficulties in biomedical signal processing regarding the heart, brain and other organs of the body parts. And we are seeing that different objectives are taken care from the different body parts with different situations. Now today we discuss about the introduction of biomedical instruments and types of biomedical instruments. Biomedical instruments and engineering is the applications of knowledge and technologies to solve problems related to living biological systems. That means we are living biological systems, we are human bodies, we have human bodies. So in the human bodies we have different types of problems, that is called the disease, and to overcome those diseases, to solve these problems, to cure from those diseases, we required biomedical instrumentation and engineering. It involves diagnosis, treatments and prevention of the disease in human. Basically we are diagnosis if there is a disease or not. If this is a disease, so we have to treat the disease and prevention of the disease in human. As the medical field is emerging, the area of biomedical engineering is an expanding field. We use the term bio to denote something related to life. Basically we are focusing here the human body or the life. When basics of physics and chemistry get applied to the living things, and we name them as biophysics and biochemistry. So when the discipline of emerging and medicine interest, it is called biomedical engineering. It involves measurement of biomedical signals like ECG, EMG or any other electrical generated in the human body. Biomedical instrumentation helps physicians to diagnose the problems and provide treatments, to measure biological signals and to design a medical instrument. Concept of electronics and measurement techniques are used. Basically when you design some instruments, we have to focus on the cause of the design of the instrument and need of the design of the instrument. Biomedical instruments are fundamentals to successful medicine practices. Medical instruments are devices intended to diagnose, treat or monitor the patient under medical supervision. Such devices make physical or electrical contact with the patient or the transfer energy from the patient to the instruments, and to detect such energy transfer from the patient. These devices are imported to Africa from developed countries. They are operated in tropical African hospitals where as they were designed for more temperature environment. The result of these devices are not available in the most African hospitals. Patients have to travel to major cities to benefit from such device. This device must be properly installed in an environment in which they can give accurate and uninterrupted services. Proper operations, regular care, and maintenance of this device are essential because this is a question of life. This is a matter of life. So, maintenance and proper care is required to diagnosis and to give the correct data of the particular patient for the disease. So, here we have discussed about the biomedical instrumentations and its type. Suppose there is ECG machines, we have to measure the heart pressure rate with different situations. So ECG machines have to maintain in supervisions of the doctors and the medical staff. So it is necessary to take care of the ECG machines in different points of view. Thank you.